So today I'm taking this little TVO Ferguson T20 apart. TVO is just a fuel mixture for it. So all what I need is this back wheel hub and the back axle and stub axle inside. I started by loosening everything down. Of course, sprayed everything with WD-40, and I've probably been spraying with WD-40 for a year now, as soon as I knew I was going to use it. All the bolts on the outside come off fairly handy, and then because my crane isn't working, I give it a tug with the cranger just to pull out the shaft, and that left me with this diff on the inside, a lovely axle here with the steel rim which will have buckets attached to it. That'll give me power out my center shaft, which will hook into this diff, and between the diff and the center shaft, that is where I will get my power. So thank you very much, everybody. Bye.